Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to invest on Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. On Polymarket, investing means putting money behind what you think will happen in the real world. If you are right, you make money. If you are wrong, you lose the money you invested in. On your PC, open a web browser and go to Polymarket website and make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on deposit. From here, connect MetaMask. Make sure you already have USDC on the Polygon network deposited in the Polymarket before investing. Now browse the list of market and click one you understand. Inside the market, you will see two choices, yes or no. Each option has a price that's shown how likely the market think it is. If you believe that the event will happen, click yes. If you believe it won't, click no. Think of the price like odds. Type in how much USDC you want to invest. Small if you are new. Polymarket will show your possible profit before you confirm. Click buy or deposit to invest. MetaMask will pop up asking you to approve the transaction. Click confirm, then wait a few seconds. And that's it. Your investment is now active on Polymarket. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.